Leftover metallic trash or debris can be really difficult to clean, especially after a job that leaves lots of metallic debris behind. These parts can be minuscule, but they can also be really hazardous for everyone as they can be quite sharp and can cause serious injuries. So it is crucial to clean leftovers as quickly as possible. And for that, there are dedicated magnetic sweepers that can pick up the metallic scrap with magnetic power. If you are also wondering how to find the best magnetic sweeper, worry not. You can pick up a great option by checking out a few important factors such as: there are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best magnet sweeper reviews from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nico Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. If you are looking for a highly reliable magnet sweeper which is trusted by thousands of users, then the one made by Nico will be perfect for you. This is the most popular magnet sweeper we came across while drafting this list. Coming in the first position, we have the Nico 53418A Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. This is a 36 inches long magnetic sweeper that has wheels at the bottom to make the unit easier to sweep across the floor. The handle of the Nico 53418A Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is also adjustable, so that you can make the necessary adjustments to make the unit perfectly usable for yourself. It is also powered by a heavy-duty magnet offering up to 30 pounds pulling capacity. The handle of the Nico 53418A Magnetic Pickup Sweeper also has a quick release function. With the help of that, you can quickly drop all the debris picked up by the magnet in an instant. The expandable handle of the Nico 53418A Magnetic Pickup Sweeper can be adjusted between 29 to 42 inches to offer the right posture for your job. Even the tires on the Nico 53418A Magnetic Pickup Sweeper are 7 inches wide in diameter to easily move across all terrains. Number 2. Master Magnetics Magnetic Sweeper. Master Magnetics also has a cheaper and highly compact option available for a lightweight magnet sweeper designed for basic tasks. This is also quite a popular option since Master Magnetics is a renowned name for tools and accessories. In the third position, we have the Master Magnetics Magnetic Sweeper with wheels. Just like our last pick, this magnetic sweeper is also designed especially for cleaning up tight corners and compact areas with ease. But this unit can do it better with a 14.5 inches magnet attached to the end of its handle. This magnet has about 1.6 pounds lifting capacity that makes it a suitable choice for clearing up routine metallic debris. To make the unit easier to move, Magnetic Sweeper is offering 3 inches wheels with a rubber tread attached to each wheel. And the internal steel bushings of the wheels makes them roll with ease on most surfaces. As for the pulling capacity, the Master Magnetics Magnetic Sweeper manages to compete with many premium options, as it offers up to 30 pounds pulling capacity. With that, it can pick up about 228 nails at once without any problem. Number 3. Toolwiz Heavy Duty Magnetic Sweeper. Adjustable options are the most preferred ones when it comes to professional tools and accessories, since these are the most versatile picks. Toolwiz is also bringing such an option on our list which is trusted by thousands. The Toolwiz Heavy Duty Magnetic Sweeper is one of the powerful options that we have picked for this list, since it is designed for heavy-duty applications. It has about 50 pounds pulling capacity that can easily lift heavier debris that you would find on a workshop floor. And the sweeper itself is made up of high-quality aluminum, plastic, and iron to offer a long-lasting durability. You will also find a quick-release feature on the handle of the Toolwiz Heavy-Duty Magnetic Sweeper to quickly release the collected debris. With its large wheels, the Toolwiz Heavy-Duty Magnetic Sweeper can easily move across various surfaces, whether it is a concrete floor, grass, or a carpet. The most interesting part of this magnet sweeper is its handle. This handle, equipped with a comfortable silicone handle, can be adjusted from 30 to 45 inches based on your needs. You will also find other options from Toolwiz that offer 18 or 24 inches wide magnets to suit better for your application. Number 4. Rofson Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper. Rofson also has a moderately powerful option for a magnetic sweeper on our list today. It is one of the budget offerings from this brand along with many other useful products like burners, ultrasonic cleaners, and commercial work tables. The Tuffium Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is yet another great budget option present on our list of the best magnet sweepers. The Tuffium Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper offers about 30 pounds pulling capacity, which is more than enough for routine metal cleaning tasks, along with a handful of heavy jobs. But the 36 inches wide magnetic pickup surface of this surface certainly helps its case when it comes to cover up larger areas in a lesser number of passes. The handle of the Tuffium Rolling Magnetic Pickup Sweeper is also highly adjustable, allowing you to change its length between 30 to 46 inches. Plus, the 7 inches diameter wheels of this magnet sweeper makes it an ideal option for various types of terrains. Apart from the handle length, you can also adjust the height of the Tuffium rolling magnetic pickup sweeper from 0.6 inch to 2 inches for more effective cleaning results. Number 5. Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper Pickup Tool. Moving on, we are introducing the most affordable choice we could find for a magnet swapper for our list today from Rechabite. But despite being a cheaper option, it has a great set of features that you would need for basic jobs. The Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper is one of the best options available in the market right now for a budget choice. Even though this unit costs a fraction of what other premium options cost, it is still equipped with a powerful magnet offering 35 pounds pulling capacity. And with the retractable handle length varying from 8.7 to 34 inches, this sweeper becomes an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Apart from being a powerful choice, the Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper is also a highly portable option that you can carry with you for outdoor jobs. You will also find a rubber grip on the top of the Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper that makes it a much more comfortable unit for regular use. As for its build quality, you don't have to worry about it, since the magnet used on the Rechabite Telescoping Magnetic Sweeper has a chrome-plated iron base. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.